Hi, marhaban. In our previous lesson, we examined just three short vowels. In today's lesson, we'll focus on sukun and shedda. When you see a sukun, it tells you that there is no vowel on the letter, whether you leave it without a vowel or choose to add one. Overall, it affects your minds and change it. For example, in the word fakir, which is meaning, a sukun on the final letter, ra, indicates that pronounce it as without an extra vowel. So ra with sukun becomes r, r. Noon with sukun become n, n. Let's look for another example. Consider the word mudarris, teacher. If the last letter seen carries a sukun, it shows that no vowel is added after it, keeping the pronunciation clear and direct. Now let's look about shadda, the doubling signal. The shadda look like a small W placed above a letter, signals the letter should be pronounced twice or extra emphasis. Example, in the word add, the shadda on the letter dal tell you to double that sound, creating a stronger impact. Another example, had. Here, the shadda on the dal again indicates the letter is pronounced twice, which adds emphasis and clarity to the word meaning. Keep practicing with different words and you'll just see how powerful these symbols can be. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks. Bye! للقاء.